We just completed this house that we built for a client that was looking to get out of the snowy, cold weather of the winter months to move down here to Florida. So come on in, check it out. Hopefully you like it. Not just because I'm a builder, but if it was my family that was looking to get a home in Southwest Florida, I would definitely only look at new construction because of the strength of these homes built to hurricane codes, because of the height to be able to build these homes up high to get them out of any type of flood concerns. New construction, when you put them side by side with resale properties, are definitely a great value. And looking down the road, when you decide to sell them, will bring you more money in your pocket.